Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. As you can see, this is a lift and a scooter. This is the companion GC-240, and this is the Harmar AL100. This scooter works with this lift. This is the easiest lift to use on the outside of your vehicle. You can get this with a swing away to swing out away from the car, so you can access the rear of your car. If you see, this is sticking up back there, so you can't access that unless you have the swing away. If you have a certain vehicle, we need to know what the hitch height is in the middle of the hitch to determine if you need a drop hitch. So if you have a longer scooter, you can extend these out. But I want to show you, this is the companion GC-240. It's a rocker switch. You press it down, this arm comes up, it goes to the ground, you take it off, and vice versa. Bring it back on, press this button to bring the arm up. Give me a call if you need a lift and a scooter. AffordableMedicalUSA.com or 803-926-2224.